Welcome to the World Range YouTube channel. Today we learn third topic in Unit 2, Chapter 4, that is, subtotals. What is the meaning of subtotals?
LibreOffice Calc offers the Subtotals tool to create subtotals for data arranged in labeled columns. It also groups subtotals by category and sorts them automatically, thereby eliminating the need to apply filter categories manually. The subtotal command is used to automatically create groups and apply inbuilt functions like sum, count, average, etc. to summarize data. One can use any type of summary function for each column as per the requirement of data analysis. It can group subtotals by using category and sorts them in ascending or descending order, so that one need not use filters. For example, the subtotals command can be used to calculate the number of jerseys of different sizes required for players. We have 6 steps to follow. Let's discuss each step. First step, select the range of cells with values for which subtotal function needs to be implemented. Ensure that the columns must have labels. The subtotals function has a graphical interface and is accessible from Data menu. Using the subtotals, you can select arrays and then choose a statistical function to apply to them. For efficiency, you can choose up to 3 groups of arrays to which a function can be applied, as you can see in the image. Step 2. Click on Data menu. Select Subtotals option. Subtotals dialog box appears on the screen. Find Step 2 in the image. Step 3. In First Group tab, from the Group by drop-down box, select the column for which subtotal is required, or if you wish to select all the columns, check and select all columns. If the content of the selected column changes, the subtotals will automatically be updated. Find Step 3 in the image. Step 4. In the Calculate Subtotals for box, select the columns for which subtotal needs to be calculated. Find Step 4 in the image. Step 5. In Use Function box, select the desired function to calculate the subtotals. Here, we have used Count function. Find Step 5 in the image. Step 6. Click on the OK button. Find Step 6 in the image. That's it. Now let's learn about other 2 tabs on Subtotal box. You can use the second group and third group tabs to group the data in further levels in same sheet. For example, if we add color and cost to the sheet, we can make another group showing sum of cost of jerseys color-wise for each size. Find 2 second and 3 third tab in the image. First group finds the count of sizes available, second group displays color, and third group displays cost for the different jersey sizes available. We can see the grouping of the whole sheet in small segments using 1, 2, 3, 4 given on the left panel. To view complete grouping, it is on 7 as shown in the image. To see only the function applied in groups, select numbers on the left panel. If you select 6, it will show the function applied to first, second, and third group. If you select 1, it shows only the grand total of the first group. When you use the Subtotals tool, Calc inserts an outline to the left of the row number column. This outline represents the hierarchical structure of your subtotals and can be used to hide or show data at different levels in the hierarchy using the numbered column indicators at the top of the outline or the group indicators, denoted by plus and minus signs. To remove the outline feature from the sheet at any time, go to Data to select Group and Outline and choose the Remove Outline option. To apply again, go to Data to select Group and Outline and choose the Auto Outline option.
Now, let's do it for real on Calc spreadsheet. As you can see, I have huge data, and I will select the data for doing subtotal for size, color, and cost. Go to Data on menu, then select Subtotal. Now you see Subtotal box. Here we have 3 group tabs. I will select First Group tab. Then I will select Jersey and Group by drop-down list. I will tick the jersey size checkbox in Calculate Subtotal for box. Next, I will use Count function from Use Function box. Then we'll click OK button. Boom! As you can see, I got subtotal for jersey sizes. Now let's do it for jersey color. Repeat same steps, Go to Data, select Subtotal. Now I will select Second Group tab. Then we'll select Jersey Color. I will tick the Jersey Color checkbox in Calculate Subtotal for box. Next, I will use Count function from Use function box. Then we'll click OK button. Boom! As you can see, I got subtotal for Jersey Color. Now let's do it for cost. Repeat same steps. Go to Data, select Subtotal. Now I will select Third Group tab, then we'll select Cost. I will tick the Cost checkbox in Calculate Subtotal for box. Here I will use Sum function from Use function box. Then we'll click OK button. Boom, as you can see, I got subtotal for cost column. That's it, you successfully created subtotals. Now look at the panel. You have 7 number boxes. First one will show grand total for first group. To view complete grouping, click on 7. 6 will show the function applied to first, second, third group. That's it. You have successfully learned how to do subtotals in Calc spreadsheet. Please subscribe for more. Let me know what you liked in this video at comment section. Thank you for watching.